just went to the bathroom. To keep everything like out of sight but still organized. So I love these baskets, and let me just show you guys. So CJ has his own basket of supplies. Haley's basket is down here, and they both have are on their Chromebooks. Otherwise we keep them really Ace. Otherwise we would keep their Chromebooks in the baskets. Now Ace is just all up in my business. And then in this basket this is the basket where I have their supplies. So they have their tape, a thing of note cards. This is their paper for like all their logins, extra box of pencils, their glue sticks. Ace, he's licking the phone, guys, sorry. And then their pencils in this jar here. Kaylee actually made that jar in Girl Scouts. And then some sticky notes. And when the school day is over, Chromebooks are up and everything is tucked away as if we didn't even have school today. I went to the groomers, and this is how Ace is every time we go. He hates car rides, period. I think he knows where we're going, so he needs to be groomed. He needs this. I don't feel bad. I hate when he's doing this because his claws are in my back. Acey Poo! Ace. Acey Poo. He's ignoring me. He's mad. Just dropped Ace off at the groomers. Per usual, he's scared. Well, I don't pick him up until it's 1 o'clock now, so I don't pick him up till about 5:30. So if you don't have any pets, or if you're thinking about getting a pet, you leave them at the groomers for about 4 hours. That's a long time, but also gives you like a little break from them, because Ace is under us all the time. He doesn't go to like a sitter, or we never board him or anything. He's always with us. So I want to show you guys my hair. I straightened it and it shrunk up now because I put some perm rods. No, I didn't put perm rods in it until this morning. What did I do? I kind of did like a Bantu knot last night to my hair, my full head, and then this morning the curls that weren't really curled, I did a perm rod. This one you can see is not as curled, so it's kind of like where my hair is really. Look at this mess. See, this is another piece that didn't really curl. Let me just
And guys, she's gonna straighten my hair tomorrow.
Yes, I'm gonna straighten Kaylee's hair tomorrow, and we're just gonna wear it like this during the cooler months and see where that gets us. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to kind of take you on our little day today, and maybe we'll go to Big Lots really quick and see what they have. You want to go to Big Lots, Kaylee?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because it's right here where the groomers is, so you're not getting a drink and a snack. Okay, you guys, I made it back home. Now I'm about to do my makeup because I'm getting ready to record a video. I'm having a little Cheez-It snack. Please forgive the detector. It's gonna beep in the video. Nobody in my house is tall enough to change it in my bedroom. Everywhere else in the house, they're changed. The bedroom, we are not, it's a tray ceiling, and nobody's in here tall enough to change it. Even stepping on the 3-step ladder, nobody can reach it. So that's what we're gonna be stuck with for the next few minutes. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna be doing concealer and mascara, and I'm gonna do my brows. This concealer is amazing. It is by Maybelline, and I'm in the color Cafe. Using my Sonia Kashuk sponge, you guys. And with my concealer, because it has a wand on it, I'm just gonna add it to my hand, the back of my hand, and my hands are clean, and then add it to my face with the sponge. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you guys saw that before, but you can definitely see that concealer covered that up really good. I've cleaned out all my makeup, and I washed all my makeup brushes yesterday. I had 4 things of these of makeup brushes. What I told myself was, if my makeup brushes don't fit in here, I'm getting rid of them. And I picked out my favorites, the ones I really, really love, washed those. The other ones are thrown away. It's just time to just minimalize, and that's what I've been doing. So I have a lot of makeup palettes I'm gonna be giving to the girls at work. I cleaned everything and sanitized everything, so they're really gonna love them because they're gently used palettes. I'm gonna fast forward through all my makeup because I'm gonna be sitting here talking to you guys forever. Okay, you guys, my makeup is all finished. I went very vampy today on the lip, and let me show you what I used. I used the Mented Cosmetic in Bare lip pencil. Then I use the CoverGirl. These are the Melting Pout Matte formulas, and this is Paradise Lost. So these two I love together. And these formulas, if you haven't tried the CoverGirl, what is this? Melting Pout Matte, try it because it is amazing. I love them. I have like tons of colors. Love. But let me show you guys. Kind of went harsh on the eyebrows, but it's okay. I want to show you guys what my makeup looks like how I rearranged everything. Let me show you guys really quickly, and then I have to go because I need to go get this video recorded before I have to get Davion to basketball workout. So I'm pressing for small time. It is currently like 2:20 and I have to be gone by like 3:10. So let me show you guys really quickly how this makeup setup is looking. So this is the organizer that I bought. I think I purchased this from Amazon. I love it. It houses all my makeup, everything I can see. The only thing is when I turn it, these things fall sometimes. So I'm gonna try to turn it slow, but I have my lipsticks, my powders, just everything on here that I reach for on a normal basis when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, so these are the palettes that I kept after going through everything. I love this palette, one of my favorites. And then in this drawer, I have, what do I have? Two big Morphe palettes. I have two big Morphe palettes in this drawer. And then my Laura Mercier, this is like the glow translucent powder. I have my Travel Fit Me. I have the Anastasia. This is a glow kit. It's really pretty. So pretty. I finished recording my video. I did that really quickly. I did an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. I still have 2 hours until it's time to pick up Ace from the groomers. So right now I'm gonna go home and start editing that video and then figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. My husband is still working, so I just have to figure out what the kids want. I still have more rice and chicken, so I'll probably eat that and some veggies, like make a bowl because I did that yesterday. So I'll probably do that and just be done with it. Tonight, me and Kaylee are gonna be watching The Masked Singer. You guys, that is our show. We love watching that show. I don't really, when I watch shows, I don't sit and watch the whole show. I just sit and watch like what I want to see. We've been watching, her and I have been watching Dancing with the Stars. We are on a virtual learning week this week. So I'm home with them when they're virtual, which is great. So I can monitor them and help them with their work, make sure all their projects and work is being submitted, because it is a lot with them just being home. I also changed my lip out because the lip I had on, it was just too dark for this particular top I wanted to wear. This is multiple colors of different stuff on my lips. I put on Freestyle, a gloss by Morphe, in the name of Freestyle, and then that was too dark. So on top of that, I put on the Wet n Wild gloss, and it is in, I think it's in Peach Please, I believe, but I put that on top, and that's what gave me this pretty color here. So, you know, a few things to get this color, but I don't mind mixing. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I changed my lip because it was too dark. After the kids are done with school, I'm in and out of the car for the rest of the day, pretty much. So I'll pick up with you guys later on tonight. If not tonight, then I'll pick up with you guys tomorrow. I want to show you guys really quickly the box that I got from Versed Skincare. If you guys are not familiar with them, get familiar with them. They are a clean beauty brand. They are sold out of Target and of course off of their website. They sent me the hydrating milk, the overnight facial peel, and the acne calming cream cleanser. I'm excited to try these. I'm going to be reviewing them. So I'm going to review the acne cream cleanser first, and then as I go along, making sure these don't bother my skin or irritate or anything, then I'm going to continue to move on to the other products. But you guys, isn't this the cutest headband? It's like a terry cloth. It's so cute. So excited to have had these products gifted, and now I'm able to review them. Versed is a really good company. They have really good skincare products, you guys. I love their skincare products. I've used their products ever since the first day they dropped in Target. So, but yeah, you guys, stay tuned for the reviews on these products. So I'm gonna call it a night tonight, you guys. I don't remember where I left off on this vlog. I think I was picking Ace up from the groomers, but he's home, he's safe, he's super cute, and I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm getting ready to do my hair, like just pin it up for the night, get a shower, wash this makeup off my face. I'm gonna watch a little bit of the debate though. I really need that freaking detector change. It's driving me insane, you guys. What is the solution to this? What is the solution? This is Ace in his crate. He's so sleepy, you guys. It's funny because he knows his bedtime. Like his body gets super, super sleepy. And he'll come run under my bed, or he'll just come in my room after he potties for the last time because he's super tired. He has a bed, you guys, that goes in this crate, but he pulls it out every time and then gets in the crate, or he'll either, if the bed is in there, he'll go to the end of it to try to get on the little black part. I guess it's cooler. Going to the groomers, it's a long day for them, and it really, really wears him out. So sweet dreams, AC Poo. Okay, hey guys, today is Thursday.
I got Starbucks.
And oh gosh. Today has been chill. We did our virtual learning stuff today, and now I am, what do we do? Virtual learning stuff. Stopped at Starbucks. I got the chai tea latte with almond milk. So good. And yes, Kaylee got the pink drink. Now I'm headed back out to pick up my oldest from workouts. Speaking of my oldest, he'll be 16 on Saturday. So we are preparing to go to Atlanta this weekend. That's what he is wanting to do. So we're gonna head to Atlanta this weekend. Of course, you know, when you go out of town, you got a bunch of stuff to do. I have to straighten Kaylee's hair and make sure we're just pick up a few items and make sure we're packed and good to go. Then come home. I'm gonna finish washing clothes because that's one thing I want to do before we go out of town, is I want to finish getting the clothes washed. I hear Kaylee slurping that ice like a crazy person.
I'm trying to get the strawberries. Look what I did.
She was drinking her drink, and you know how they give you the strawless drink or lid or whatever it is, a straw goes in it, but you know what I mean. She's trying to get her strawberries out. I'm like, Kaylee, take the lid off. And then she's like, oh yeah, duh. This child.